Good morning. The camp spot worked out really well except for the crows going off from 3 a.m. and they're still yammering on now that it's 7 a.m. Looks like the tides are low now to get across to Holy Island, so I'm gonna go quickly check that out and then swing back and start heading up towards Edinburgh. All right, let's hit the road. So apparently Scotland is much more liberal in where you can camp. So we should have an easier time as soon as we cross the border. I got myself a flat for a couple nights in Edinburgh. I had a coupon from Airbnb because I'm a super host in my own Airbnb place at home. So I got a $100 coupon from Airbnb, so I used that to make it a bit cheaper. And as I head through Scotland, hopefully get lots more camping in and save on the old dollars. Let's go see how an unholy guy does on Holy Island. So yesterday this was all covered in water. If you have a fancy 4x4, you could probably make it through. I'm happy to say that I'm now on Holy Island and I'm not burning. All right, let's head a little further up the road and go find a coffee and a breakfast. Okay, had a little breakfast and now I'm not far from the border, so I'll be entering Scotland momentarily. So I'm about 70k from Edinburgh, so I'm just gonna tootle up the coast, and here it is. Welcome to Scotland! And since I have these stickers, why not? We'll see if I get one subscriber who's entered into Scotland. Goodbye England, hello Scotland again. I'm now just outside of Edinburgh at Dunbar, and this is where a major battle took place in 1650. It was the War of the Three Kingdoms, better known as a civil war. The veteran army of England, led by Oliver Cromwell, came to invade, but was met by a larger Scottish force, led by General David Leslie. In terror, Cromwell retreated to his base at Dunbar, on the brink of disaster. The Scots, smelling blood in the water, marched out to meet him. But alas, Cromwell was victorious, handing the Scots one of their worst defeats. Behind me is Tantallon Castle, currently under renovations. Our old friend Cromwell was up to his antics again. This castle was built in the mid-1300s by William Douglas. It was his pride and joy, and remained mostly in his family. but when the war started, it was thought to be impenetrable. Well, Cromwell proved them wrong and bombarded it into smithereens in the 17th century. And the ruin you see today is pretty much what he left. It's a parade! I have no idea what's going on. Lots of balloons. And somebody just sprayed me with water. Too bad it's not booze. It's going on forever. Okay, I'm just on the outskirts of Edinburgh. I've got 9 kilometers to get to where I'm staying. So hopefully it's not traffic chaos. To get settled in and then go check out the town. Should be just around the corner here. One of these ones, I believe. So there's a million boxes. I don't know which one it is. Okay, finally figured out the keys. Since every lockbox I looked at had his code in it, I guess obviously a lot of people make the same mistakes. But a decent place for the next few nights. Okay, the bike is squared away. Now it's time to walk into town and do a little exploring. It's late afternoon now, so I'm just gonna check out a few things. Now at Edinburgh Castle, and there's been a royal castle on this grounds since David I in the 12th century. The site continued to be used as a royal residence up until the mid-1600s, but it fell into disuse, and by the 17th century it was mainly used as a military barracks. So I have it on good authority that the White Hart Inn is the best place to have haggis in Edinburgh. So my first time trying it, let's go find out. My first taste of haggis. Tastes like any meat product, really. With the gravy and mashed potatoes, it'll be just fine. All right, so the haggis was haggis. Just tasted like a meat mixture on mashed potatoes with some gravy. And that's pretty much it for today. And we'll head back at her tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe. The veteran army, but was met by a larger Scottish force. Our old friend Cromwell proved them wrong and